Bullish CHZ value expectation is 25 cents to 33 cents. The CHZ cost will likewise reach 90 cents soon. CHZ negative market cost expectation for 2022 is 12 cents. In CHILIZ, CHZ, cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REVOL, and other data about CHZ to examine the future development of the digital money. CHILIZ, CHZ, current market status. The cost of CHILIZ, CHZ, is $0.2140 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $502,158,150 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, CHZ has diminished to 2.16% as of now. Besides, CHILIZ, CHZ, has a flowing stockpile of 6,386,953 CHZ. Presently, CHZ exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, Mex, Coin, OKX, and CoinTiger. What is CHILIZ, CHZ? CHILIZ is the money of decision for blockchain-upheld items and administrations for standard customers. CHILIZ gives sports associations and blockchain-based apparatuses to help them take an interest and adapt their crowd. CHZ tokens can likewise be utilized to buy, trade fan tokens through the customer-arranged stage Socios.com. CHILIZ, CHZ, value forecast 2022. The above diagram of CHILIZ, CHZ, spread out in adjusting base. The cost development structure an example that looks like a bow and subsequently is otherwise called the saucer base example. As a rule, the adjusting base example demonstrates a drawn-out cost inversion. This example additionally stresses the progressions in the market feeling as the pattern appears to move from negative to bullish. Financial backers for the most part need to remain wary and time the market well. In the event that the value breaks and moves past the opposition level, it will enter in a firm bullish direction. At present, CHILIZ, CHZ, is at $0.2140. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of CHZ could arrive at the opposition level of $0.2599 and $0.3359. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of CHZ might tumble to $0.1276. CHILIZ, CHZ, backing and obstruction levels. The graph underneath shows the help and opposition levels of CHILIZ, CHZ. From the above dated daytime period, we can plainly decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of CHILIZ, CHZ. Resistance level 1, $0.2599. Resistance level 2, $0.3359. Support level 1, $0.2007. Support level 2, $0.1634. Support level 3, $0.1276. The outlines show that CHZ has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, CHZ could run alongside the bulls surpassing its opposition level at $0.3359. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the CHZ could plunge to nearly $0.1276, a negative sign. CHILIZ, CHZ, value expectation 2022, REVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of CHILIZ, CHZ, is displayed in the underneath diagram. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past volume for brokers. As of now, the RVOL of CHZ lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. In addition, the moving normal, MAMA, of CHILIZ, CHZ, is displayed in the above diagram. Remarkably, the CHZ cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is totally in a vertical pattern. At present, CHZ is in a bullish state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of CHZ whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the CHZ is at a degree of 59.87. This implies that CHZ is in neither an oversold or overbought state. Notwithstanding, This gives certainty to the dealers to exchange with practically no trepidation. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of CHILIZ, CHZ. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of CHILIZ, CHZ. As of now, CHZ lies in the scope of 7.34, so it demonstrates a frail pattern. From the above graph, the general unpredictability list, RVI, of CHILIZ, CHZ. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time as opposed to cost changes. The RVI of CHZ lies over 50, showing that the course of unpredictability is high. Truth be told, CHZ's RSI is at 59.87, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of CHZ with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and CHILIZ, CHZ. From the above diagram, we can decipher ETH, BTC, and CHZ are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and CHZ additionally increment or reduction separately. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, CHILIZ, CHZ, could most likely accomplish $1.50 by 2023. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, CHILIZ, CHZ, could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, CHZ could energize to hit $2.10 by 2024. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2025. In the event that CHILIZ, CHZ, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, CHZ would mobilize to hit $2.90. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2026. If CHILIZ, CHZ, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, CHZ would revitalize to hit $4. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. In the event that CHILIZ, CHZ,